Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Farid and I am a web analytics expert. Today I will guide you through the process connecting Google Tag Manager to your WordPress website. If you need to easily manage tags like Google Analytics, tag, Facebook Pixel or others tracking code without touching the code every time, Google Tag Manager is the way to go. Let's dive into the setup. First, we need to go uh, the Google Tag Manager website. If you don't have create a Google Tag Manager website, let's create a new Google Tag Manager account. So it's simply create Google Tag Manager account. I have a similar lots of account. No problem. I will share you with you how to create a Google Tag Manager account. So first create. Here is the URL tagmanager.google.com, the home page, and create. Here is the create account. Click here. Your account name is here. Suppose I pick a name like Sheikh Mohit. I just Mohit is. Let's select your country, United States, and here is the container name. You can select your website URL here for understanding which container to set up. Then create web and this. Finally, here the create options. Create. Here is a some terms of agreement policy. Just scroll here, see just, and there's a check mark. Then yes. So finally, you create your Google Tag Manager account. Here is your Google Tag Manager account. Now, how to connect the Google Tag Manager account to with your WordPress website? Simply I close this interface and go to my website. So you log in your website backend, and is this many ways to how to connect your Google Tag Manager with WordPress. So I will show you the simple process without modifying your code file, theme code file. You just simply go to the plugin sections. There's a click add new plugin. Let's do it. And here is the search code snippet. Or here is the menu of plugin to a code editor, header footer code editor. Uh, oops, so wrong. Just read code. Here is a similar type of plugin. You can use any on this plugin. I use the WP code or it's the very simple plugin header footer. It's the most common use for it by digital marketer who connect to Google Tag Manager with Google Analytics WordPress website. So here is the plugin, the header footer code manager. The simple create install. Just wait a minute for installing and activate. Okay, that's fine. Everything is well. Now this plugin is installed and active. Then go to your Google Tag Manager, and this is your Google Tag Manager ID. So click here, and finally you see the header and body tag code. First you need to copy the whole snippet. This is just click a copy icon and copy this code and go to the your WordPress backend, and here is the options, all snippet, just new, add new, HFCM, header footer code manager, uh, add new snippet name, Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager, this goes HTML simply, and paste the code. Perfect. Enter and just simply save. Our code is saved. Okay. Now check uh, the code and the Google Tag Manager, which is connected or not. So you just put the header code. You don't need the body tag code. Fine. So close the interface dialog and click here to preview mode to check the Google Tag Manager which is connect or not. When you click preview mode, here is the pop-up to give your URL. So give your website URL here and then click connect and wait some moment. Yes, our website are connecting. Yes, you see the Google Tag Assistant is connected. Uh, so this is the options to Google Tag Manager connect with WordPress. So I checked the debug view. Uh, I click in here, scroll. When I change the path, here you see the our website are loading here. So if I go to another page, you see our website are working. I go with the blog page. There's a blog page options. So this is my dummy website and dummy account. So I need to Google Analytics here, Facebook Pixel code here, and Facebook and Google Ads tracking code here. Then you see the every of your website event show here your Google Tag Manager left side. So that's all about the Google Tag Manager's options. I think you you see the whole process and with the saving in this Google Tag Manager you can manage your website tags more efficiently, saving your time and keeping your site performance optimized. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any question. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Our next video topic is how to connect Google Analytics with your website through Google Tag Manager. So thank you. Bye bye.